Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong July 24. And para sa ngayong araw, ating pag-uusapan kung gaano kaganda ang plano ng Diyos. Now, we know that God has a plan for each and every one of us. Sabi nga po sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, for you to have a future and hope," no? So, sinasabi po rito na yung mga plano ng Panginoon sa atin ay tunay na nakakabuti. Kumbaga, it is for the greater good, overall good, and it works in mysterious ways. Because God works in mysterious ways. But those ways aren't flawed. In fact, those ways are perfect. Because God is the embodiment of perfection. Sa lahat ng bagay sa mundo, walang perpekto. Because the world is not perfect. But the one that governs over the world, over the entirety of creation, God is perfect. And He is the only perfect being ever. That is why kung ano yung plano niya, rest easy dahil siya ay isang perpekto. Sabi nga sa Deuteronomy chapter 32 verse 4, "The rock, His work is perfect, for all His ways are justice, a God of faithfulness and without iniquity. Just and upright is He." So God is perfectly good and altogether lovely. Now, that also means that God is perfect in wisdom and power. Perpekto po siya sa kaalaman, perpekto siya sa kalakasan, at lahat ng kaya niya or lahat ng problema ay kaya niyang solusyonan. He is our God. If you think something is impossible, irredeemable, very difficult to achieve, ask God for guidance because God knows and can do everything. That is why God is forming Christ in us toward perfection. Sabi nga po nila na the things or the entities we worship shape us. Kumbaga kapag ako, let's say for example, no, na-amaze ako sa aking idolo, sa aking guro, to the point na I worship that teacher. Ngayon, kung ano yung characteristic, kung ano yung behavior ng teacher na yon, ma-adapt ko because I worship them. I know them deeply, intimately, to the point na I want to follow their teachings. And that's the same with God. In order for us to be like God or Christ-like, we need to worship Him truthfully, meaning get to know Him better, develop an intimate relationship with Him, wherein we serve Him. Because in that way, we will be like Him. And in that way, we can imitate Jesus as God sanctifies us. Dahil nga po siya'y perfecto. Isn't that enough of an inspiration to worship God? For you to be close to perfection? Because God's plan for us is perfect. So if we diligently follow each and every step in that, we will be perfect. So we should trust God's wisdom and power. Maaring ngayon, nagkakaroon tayo ng difficulty, suffering, but that won't last long. In fact, that's the process of God forming you to be someone that is great, that is excellent. And rejoice in that fact. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.